Welcome to. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this session of this afternoon for business and personal development and health. Let me begin by giving a brief introduction of myself. My name is Reena Shah, and I have got 3 children, 1 daughter and 2 sons, big men and women in the house, men and women in the house rather. And also I am a grandmother. I have been blessed with 3 grandchildren equally, same 1 granddaughter and 2 grandsons. So it's like the way I gave birth is the way my children are giving birth at this time. I work in the corporate world as a personal assistant, and let me start by giving you a brief background of myself and introduce you why I am here today. The reason I'm here today is actually to talk to you about the Neolife supplements. We all have a vision and a goal, and we have ambitions that we want to achieve in life. We want to move ahead. We want to have the best of everything. And sometimes you can find that life is very difficult and you are actually slowing back behind because you have got too much in your hands. My vision is actually to grow in my personal life, to be comfortable in my retirement, and that is why I'm here to build my business and ask for your support, and at the same time to have financial freedom, and most important of all, it is to have a good health. I joined Neolife this year in February, and I was introduced by a good friend and a colleague. I attended the Zoom sessions when she invited me, and I was just listening. I was not able to grasp so much, and I kept listening. I attended at least 2 to 3 sessions for the Neolife, and it finally convinced me that I think these products are good, but let me try. The next time I met her, I couldn't believe what I saw, and I asked her, what are you doing to yourself? Why are you looking very beautiful? How can I make myself look as young and beautiful as the way you are? And she said, she held my hand and she said, come, come, come. You have been attending the Zoom? I said, yes. And she said, okay, I want you to try these products. And here I am presenting you my business case and telling you about what I have, how I joined the business. I attended the Zoom business. I attended the Neolife business, sorry, and I realized that your health is actually your greatest wealth. Without good health, you are not able to carry on in your life. You are not able to achieve your ambitions. You are not able to achieve your vision and your dreams. Good health comes with enough rest, which should be at least 6 to 7 hours of good sleep. Sleep, not interrupted sleep, where halfway you are getting up, your mind is wandering, but resting, you are actually resting and your body is feeling relaxed and you get a good sleep so that when you get up in the morning, you are very refreshed. Exercise is also something which is very important in your life. At least you exercise 2 to 3 days in a week, maybe half an hour if possible. Even 20 minutes is a plus point as you continue increasing your time in exercise. I know we all lead very busy lives. Sometimes we even hear people saying, I don't have time for exercise. I don't think I can manage to exercise. I'm just too busy. I leave home very early in the morning and I come home very late in the evening and my body is tired. But we have to make time for that half an hour, twice a week, even if it is. Take brisk walks, even in your estates, have physical activity and be able to manage your body. The next important thing to achieve, and very important, is diet. Diet is something so important. What we eat is what we become. We always say what goes into your mouth is what comes out on your face and on your body. When we are young, we are very, very vibrant. I remember when I was in my 20s and my 30s even, I could do twice as much the work that I'm able to do right now. As you start aging, you find you are getting problems with your body, your joints. You start feeling tired. You start feeling lethargic, fatigued, and you really don't know what to do. You just get up in the morning and say, I don't feel like doing this. I don't feel like doing that. I'm so tired. My back is hurting. My body is hurting, but you don't know what to do with yourself. As you go on, that tiredness now enters into a sickness. When you get sick, you find that your production, your productivity levels are low in terms of your physical activity. You are not able to do as much. You always need somebody by your side to assist you. So now those are the things that we want to try and avoid. If you are not going to be active, you will find that also your sleep will reduce. You will not be able to exercise because you've got pain in your joints. Sometimes you have got aches and pains here and there. And then you find that your weight is increasing, resulting in you'll get blood pressure. You can get cholesterol levels are going to go higher because there's no exercise. You're not burning the fat. You are now getting into heart attacks, heart problems, arthritis problems. You start getting sugar problems, diabetes, and so many other kind of ailments. The graph then you find starts going down and down. You see slowly as you age, as you are entering your 50s, then you go to your 60s, you're asking yourself, what has happened to me? Where was I and where am I today? Why am I so slow? Why am I feeling tired? I was not like this. Now, the answer to this is you look at the dietary facts and you find that 95% of the population, we consume foods, but we lack the nutrients. The nutrients are not entering into our body. We have got 75% who deliberately consume incorrect foods, and you will find that those incorrect foods, they don't assist you because you are not getting out the maximum nutrients. You result in also getting heart disease, cancer, diabetes, stroke, chronic respiratory disease, and obesity. Here we have a pyramid for good nutrition. Good nutrition, a healthy lifestyle pyramid whereby you have got a lot of physical activity, you are consuming the right amount of whole grains, enough fruits and vegetables, proteins, and consuming less of fat and sugar. Fat and sugar is the poison that we have in our body if it is taken in excess. And when we are not going to control this element of our diet, we are going to end up into very serious problems as we go on. Now here we have a wellness pyramid, which is there on the left, and on the right is where we are today. We consume less of whole grain, we consume very little fruits and vegetables. Our protein, if you compare to the left pyramid and the right pyramid, you will find the protein is much higher. And this protein could be in the form of red meat, nyama choma, fatty meat with a lot of fat on it, which is not very healthy, and lots of fats and sugar. Also, those are very bad for your health. What is the solution? The solution is we need to turn this pyramid upside down. We need to get it right. We need to turn this pyramid right side up the way it is meant to be on the right side. So what is the answer to this? The answer is the Neolife products. Here we can see that the founder of Neolife, Jerry Pressfield, who started this business when he was young and he was only 19 years old. He has developed his business, so he has developed the product over the years, and we have got his daughter who has now joined him, and she's now the CEO of Neolife, and she's assisting her father. Neolife also has got its scientific advisory board. This scientific advisory board, as you can see here, they have a nutritionist, they have somebody who is a biochemist, a microbial biochemist, you have a nutritionist and health practitioner here. All these people, there's a team that actually looks at the products that are being produced. And Neolife, the scientific advisory board guarantees you the finest and the safest and the most effective products in the world. The first product that I want to talk to you about today is TreeNN. Now, basically, if you look at this cell here, which is on the right side of your screen, you have an unhealthy cell. This unhealthy cell looks like, it just looks so shapeless. Shapeless because it's not healthy. The nutrients, they can't get in because when you're eating, you're not absorbing. You can see all those funny dots inside that cell. That's because you are holding in a lot of waste material which cannot get out. Then if you are not going to repair this cell, you are going to start getting all the conditions of blood pressure, sugar, and everything. But if you want to achieve a healthy cell, which is this one, whereby the nutrients are getting in and the waste is getting out. Now, like we said, the foods we eat, sometimes we are not able to absorb everything. Sometimes also, especially for me, who leads a very busy lifestyle, and I'm sure there are very many of us who are in that same position like me, you can find that at lunchtime you are in the office, you've not even sometimes eaten, you don't have the time, you just survive on a cup of tea and you say, I'll eat later. When it comes to 4 o'clock, you can grab maybe a sandwich or something, or sometimes you say, I'm too hungry, let me go and eat a packet of chips. And later on, you find also you have eaten the wrong food and you have not got the right nutrients in your body, the nutrients are lacking, and eventually your body system starts failing. After a few months, you'll find yourself, you're going down. So if you take this, the TreeNN, which is very important, it fills in that gap, it feeds the cells, it energizes them, gives you lots of energy, it increases the cellular energy production, and it optimizes the membrane function. So TreeNN is mainly consists of grain concentration, which is very important. If you remember our previous slide, we said we must take more of grains and less of fatty and sugary foods. The next slide here I have is the carotenoid, which is it is full of raw vegetables and raw fruits, and it has got at least 115 kilos of both of these, and it is clinically proven to boost your immunity by 37% in 20 days. Then we have the salmon oil, which now is the protein we were talking about. The salmon oil has got, it's got all the 8 omega-3s, which you can see here on the side. It is clinically tested and it is very pure and very, very effective. It fills in that gap of the protein. Sometimes you are not able to take the fish, you are not able to take the chicken, or you're not able to have white meat, or sometimes even budgetary constraints lead you to not being able to buy certain kinds of foods. But when you have this, you know that you are equally protected from common colds, flus, respiratory problems, and also from joints, aches, and pains. Then in addition to that, we have got the multivitamin and the mineral. This multivitamin and mineral is also very rich in iron, and it nourishes your cells. It gives you a complete blend of all the phytoenzymes, and it helps in easy digestion. So in order to get your pyramid to the right side up, These are the 4 supplements which are very necessary in your system. You have the Trianen here, which is which fills up the grains. Then you have the carotenoid, which works in for the mixed fruits and veggies that you have had, that you have not had. You have the salmon oil, which is the one that assists with the protein imbalance. It fills the gap, and then you have the multivitamin. What is the benefit of ProVitality? It provides you with abundant energy. It is a powerful antioxidant protection. It gives you lifelong heart health, optimum immune strength, meaning it builds your immunity. It's not that you will say, I take ProVitality or I take Neolife, I take these supplements, I will not fall sick. Sometimes you cannot avoid, but you will see that the force that comes of that sickness is reduced because your immunity is strong. You get a good, healthy brain function. You get flexible, healthy joints, clear vision, youthful skin, hair, and nails, and a lifelong cellular health. Remember, we said at the beginning, we need a good, healthy cell, and that is what is going to repair the cell. These 4 supplements are going to repair your cells. This is the Fab4, like the diagram shows. The fish is there, the protein is there, the fruits and the vegetables are there, and the carotenoid is also there. In addition to the ProVitality, Neolife also has got the PhytoDefense. PhytoDefense is rich in carotenoids, the fruits and veggies that we talked about, flavonoids, and cruciferous compounds. This is very, very effective in boosting your immunity and support your body's natural defenses. It works very well, especially in this time of COVID, when we are having upper respiratory problems, we are having fatigue, tiredness, we are having all these symptoms. This assists you to give you that kick that you need. Also, in addition to the PhytoDefense, there are other products also for children, very important, which I also give to my grandchildren. I have shared these products with them and I can see the difference. Like here now we have All C. All C is liquid and it is good for those children who are not able to take the hard solid tablet. They can take it in liquid form and even the Liqui White. Then we have the VitaGuard and the VitaSquare. The VitaGuard and the VitaSquare are very important. They contain vitamin B and they contain the multivitamins. Then we have the NutriShake. NutriShake is in 3 flavors, berry, chocolate, and vanilla. I have bought these for my grandchildren. I have bought the NutriShake and the VitaGuard and the VitaSquares because my firstborn granddaughter, she's 8 years old, and the second one is 4 years old, and they love the VitaGuard. When I spoke to the mother and she said, I keep hiding these bottles because they want to go and have them as sweets. And I told her, no, you must encourage them. Of course, you maintain how many tablets you are meant to have a day, maybe 1 or 2, I can't remember, but yeah, they are very, very effective. And I spoke to my grandchildren yesterday, and when I saw them last week, and when I saw them yesterday, I was telling my daughter, do you know your children look lovely? I mean, they look very nice. And I know, and I was asking her, are you giving them the supplements? And she said they love them. There are other targeted solutions that we have for Neolife, the bone and joint health. It helps you to manage stress, keeps you a sharper mind, helps you to manage your weight. Very important. Give you a healthy heart, manages your digestive system. And also they have a botanical balance supplement, which manages your sugar levels. And then they have for men and women health, fertility, hormonal imbalance, menopausal challenges, and many other problems that we go through in our bodies at every stage of our life. As far as stress management is concerned, I can talk about myself here again and tell you that I lead a very busy life, and I work in a very, very busy office. And in that office, sometimes you just cannot cope, but you have to keep your mind at level so that you do not lose your mind. You are able to attend to every inquiry that comes through. And here, I used to start getting migraines, and this has really, really assisted me. Another benefit that we have of Neolife is you buy the products and consume them, so you are a consumer. At the same time, you are a seller here, and you are able to sell the products and also build up your business. There are other benefits: the personal growth, leadership development, international travel. You retire healthy. And you also build lasting relationships and earn a residual income. We have Dr. Fatma Abdallah, who is also a member of the Neolife team. She specializes in cancer and blood-related diseases at the Kenyatta National Hospital. She's a lecturer there. Fatma joined Neolife when she was very young, and her daughter was only 19 years old, and she had very serious problems with upper respiratory disease. And after taking the Neolife products, Fatma realized that these products are very good, and she is now sharing them with her family. And she has managed to get rid of these sicknesses and be able to manage her family in a very healthy way. It is very important to have a healthy life. And in order to have that healthy life, you are going to make your world a healthier and a happier place. Let me reaffirm you, my dear friends, that Neolife has made a very big difference in my life. When I started this product sometime in February, I had already developed thyroid. And I was asking myself, how did I get this thyroid? And thyroid comes with a lot of stress. Of course, then there is the weight management, and then there is the diet. I was getting very many migraines. And those migraines, I realized, was when my sugar levels would drop. They would drop so drastically that my hands would start shaking, and I would start seeing stars. I would actually black out. And I would ask myself, what's wrong? I'm having a lot of water. I'm eating well. I'm sleeping well, but I'm still finding what is going on wrong in my body. I also was suffering from joint aches and pains in my knees and in my wrist because of using so much of the computer. You know, we spend at least almost 18 hours in the office, and we spend very little time at home. We are all the time on the computer. And having worked for so many years, over the years, I started developing pain in my wrist that I could not even carry a sufuria or a saucepan. I had to ask somebody, call my son and tell him, please remove this sufuria and take it to the next counter because I cannot be able to carry it. And they would get surprised. And they would say, Mom, what's happening to you? I told them, I don't know, my joints are hurting. I don't know, my knees are hurting. Sometimes I come home, and as soon as you are in that traffic, you are coming out of the car, you're getting a blackout, you just come and you just fall on the sofa set and you say, give me a glass of water. I'm blacking out. My head is pounding and I have a migraine. What has happened? My sugar levels have dropped. When your sugar levels drop, you tend to take sodas to bring it up. You tend to take chocolates to bring it up. You tend to take a sweet to bring it up. Now you are adding sugar to your body, which sometimes at this age, you are not able to control the sugar levels, and you find now diabetes is setting in. But now after taking Neolife, I have felt all those symptoms have disappeared. I have felt I don't get those headaches anymore. I'm able to do a lot more work than I could do before. I feel very energetic. I feel very strong. And that is why I request that this is the right way. This is not medicine. We must all understand this is not medicine. We can go and buy a vitamin B from the chemist. We can go and buy the 7 C's from the chemist, omega-3s from the chemist. Yes, but you must understand those are all, they have all got medicinal properties and chemicals in them, whereby Neolife is a natural product made out of raw fruits, vegetables, fresh animal protein, and they are all blended together and they are put together, also checked thoroughly by our scientific advisory board. This is my testimony, and I am very happy that I am able to talk about it. I'm very happy that I'm able to share it with people, so that I am going to lead into people living healthy. And you know, when you have a healthy family, you have a healthy society, and a healthy society is a healthy nation. We would not wish sickness to come into anybody's house, nor would we wish to get COVID the way it is moving very fast from house to house. You will find that you will just get out of maybe 5 houses, somebody has got COVID somewhere, or is asymptomatic. These are the products. My daughter, let me give you another testimony. My daughter, who is a doctor, and she is in Kisumu, and you know that Kisumu is very, it's a red zone area in terms of COVID, and she developed it and she got the Delta variant. And yes, the last time when she was diagnosed a week ago, she was quite bad. And when I video called her, I couldn't believe that it's the same girl I was seeing every day. She had really, really run down. Immediately, I sent the Neolife products to her, and she has been taking them very regularly, and she has improved, and she is now getting better. And I cannot thank enough Neolife for having been in my life, and I've introduced it to my family. I would now like to invite Karima Ali, who will take it over from here and say a few words. Thank you. I hope it's okay. Thank you. Karima, take it over.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Karima, take it over.
Okay. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Assalamu alaikum to my sisters. I'm very happy you're here. You are here. My full name is Karima Said, a mother of 2. I can't see the video. Okay, it's okay. I'm still on the road, but we can still talk. I'm a mother of 2 girls and 2 grandsons. Very excited to be in the business. I've been in the business for a while. I love the product. I joined the business because of the product. I had a back problem. I was having a very severe problem and migraine, which was really giving me problems seeing doctor every now and then. Then one day my sister was told about the product and I was going for operation. Then she told me, don't go for operation, let us try these products first. I started using the product. I've been working before that, during the Neolife. When I got the problem of my back, that's when I stopped working. But later, when I started using the product, I felt the benefits of the product. Then my sister told me, why don't you join and you buy for yourself? Then I joined the company and I bought for myself with the discount because it was something that I had to use every now and then. And I wanted discount every time whenever I used to buy. That's why the reason I joined. When I joined, I didn't join looking for business. I joined because looking for health. Then I realized, oh, there's a money part of it. When I saw people getting big checks, when I see my colleagues having good money, then that's where I decided, oh, I can do the business. I've been to the business. I'm a director in the business level, which I've seen money, good profit, good money. I have traveled around Nairobi, around Kenya, almost everywhere. At least I've seen our country. Because sometimes you can just be in Nairobi without being anywhere. I've gone to Homa Bay because of the business. I've gone to Mombasa, Garissa, Nakuru, Ivasha. So it's something I've moved everywhere because of this business. And I've helped a lot of people. What I like, I've helped a lot of people with the products. Whenever people have issues, I sell to them products. They always come back to me and ask it. That's why I know these products work. If they work, because someone always requests again. If something does not work, people will not ask for it again. That's what I know, the business. Our products are number one. So for all the people who have been here, it's doable. If you want good health, we have it. If you want money, it's there. If you want lifestyle, the way people have just come back from Dubai, it's there in our business. If you want people who have never seen a business, any business, someone tells you, I'll help you. And two people are doing the same thing and you help each other. People hold your hands, people show you. I've only seen this business. So I welcome everyone. It's something you can do. What you need to do, it's only that I got emergency and I'm out of the house. So I'll be a bit brief, but it's something doable. Let's come together. Our health is the most important. I've realized this when this time of COVID. When you don't have good health, money is not anything to you. I saw my sister when she was having COVID and she was admitted in the hospital. We could not do anything. First, we didn't even get the hospital for 24 hours, looking for hospital where to keep her. Then when she went in, she was giving what? She was giving vitamin C, she was giving vitamin A, D, she was giving zinc. I realized we tell people to use products and they refuse. But when you go to the hospital, the doctor tells you use this, you're lacking this, and you're lacking this, and people go and buy. So as we are telling you, always prevention is better than cure. Take care of yourself, have good money, have good friends, have good lifestyle, and everything will be fine. For the guests who are here, please take action. Action is to find out from the person who invited you how much you're supposed to join us. Let us work together. The person who invited you will always hold your hands and show you a way. So karibuni sana all the guests and take care. Thank you, Rina. I'm on the